Look what I stumbled upon. They say, let's take this to the queen. What's gonna work? Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork. Look, Abigail.
Huh?
Look at these ants. You wanna get them in the hole? Ah! Wait, no. Let them do their thing real quick. Abigail's like, nah. Are they gonna get him in the hole? Get him in there! No? Where's he going? Where are you going? You're going the wrong way. Oh, he wants it for himself. Hey! You're going the wrong way. Yeah, be strong. There he goes. Into the hole. Oh, maybe they're just trying to break him apart first or something. Get him in there.